What is that?
It's a whole chicken.
Wow.
That's so cool. I'm gonna play with it. It's my
Wow, there's a lot of
toy.
toys.
Wait a minute, there's another one.
Wow.
Chicken toys.
Wow.
Wait a minute, look. It's a box.
It's a box? Wait, look.
What?
Where does it come from? Read the message.
Oh my goodness, it's so cute.
Read it.
Oh,
Hold
it's
on.
a gift for you.
No, this is a gift for you. Read it. Hey, read this. Read this first. Read this first. Put it that. Read the message. Read it louder.
Santa this birthday, gift you little, put up good, wife with joy, Santa, and of one wife, happy for DAH, birthday dear princess, we welcome you, David and
From
Singing.
Ninang. Who is that? Ninang? Read it again. Ninang.
Lena, Joyce,
And
Tita Singa.
yay! Say thank you. Thank you, Ninang.
Thank you, Nina.
And Tita. There's another one. Read this one. There's another one. Wow.
Mom Clean, you have to read it, Mom Clean.
Wow, yeah, this one. There's another one. Read this.
Mom Clean, I want this one.
Read this one first.
Okay. Mom Clean, Mom Clean.
Yeah, read this
That's
one.
Mom Clean.
There's this one. Read it first.
Hey, Mom Clean.
Wait, before you open it, you have to read.
Okay,
Where does it come from?
okay.
Okay, thank you.
It's a Sarah.
Louder.
It's a Sarah. T-A-H. Birthday, we are excited to see again Mama Beth, Nina Jane loves you from Mama Beth, Nina Jane.
Yay! Thank you.
Can you open it this one?
Yay! One more. Last one.
Okay. Wait.
Kulit ni Mommy.
Wait.
One more. There's
Okay.
another one.
Happy birthday for baby soul princess. A birthday present. A birthday princess. Sarah. And May. For winter.
Become.
To a child. Enjoy pink cat. So. For your enemy, good morning. Inonyori.
Yay! Say
Okay,
thank you.
thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
Are you excited?
Yeah. How about this then?
Okay.